Hi everyone, welcome back to Crochet Rocks. And you know what? Look what I got in the post today. I feel like I only did this yesterday. Oh, I did. So, yeah, yesterday I got another one. So I might not put this up today. I'm not actually sure if I'll put it up today or not. We'll see. These bags, they kind of break in the most strangest way. But I guess they're biodegradable, so it's eco-friendly and obviously money saving for KnitCrate. Oh, so this is odd because yesterday I complained that KnitCrate send me drab colours. They must have, I don't see how they could have heard me because this was posted ages ago. But look, just as I tell them off for sending me nothing but drab colours, I get these babies. Look at those. Wow. Wow, I don't know what to say. Certainly isn't drab. Bizarre maybe, but not drab. So let's have a little look at what we've got. This is called Weekend. Weekend. Now I won't show you the little doodah because it'll send my camera into crazy ways, but pink. Wow. Oh, I like that one, the teal one. And what the others, just plain. So yeah, the one time that I say, well, every single KnitCrate, because this is my 6th, right? And it's taken me until number 6 to get vibrant colour. But wow, what a colour it is. Fuchsia pink and black. Heavens to Betsy. So, let's have a look. This is Yuri yarn. Electric. You're not kidding me. You're not kidding. Let's have a look. Right. We have 40%. Oh, what? Huyakaya alpaca. 30% wool. 30% Suri alpaca worsted weight. 150 yards. Worsted. 137 meters. 100 grams, 4 ounces. Hand wash gently, dry flat. What did you think of that? Wow. Isn't that just snazzy? I mean, it is jazzy, isn't it? Jazzy yarn. It is mega soft. Mega soft. Yarn that has any wool content, sometimes it's rough, but this is absolutely super soft. So it is a bit of a wild colour change. So looking at the free gift, well, they've improved slightly, guys. This has improved slightly. It looks like they're improving things just in time for me to say goodbye to them. You know, when I first ordered a KnitCrate, I wanted that backpack, so I ordered that one, so I should get it. And they didn't send me that one, and then they didn't send me any for ages. So I missed out on all the really good free gifts. And now, just as they're picking up, I won't be getting any more. But this is kind of cute. It's a key ring. Very snazzy, glittery key ring. It's not heavy. It's kind of I guess a plastic, but it's nice. I would definitely use it. Put it on my keys with my brightly coloured alpaca. Well, how about that? It's alpaca yarn I got today. 2 types of alpaca. Wool, but it's beautifully soft. It really is. Yesterday, I have no idea. The last one of my subscribers kindly told me that was August. So whether this is July then, because it used to say in the book, hang on. Booklets will return to your KnitCrate in August. Wow. In an effort, that's what it says. In an effort to send out our July 2021 club crates as soon as possible, we're including our booklet and patterns in our digital downloads from form only. Our inspiration booklets will return to your crates in August. Well, I didn't get one in August. I got one in maybe then. This said June on the book. So this one was June. if this one, the very drab colour, no, yeah, the drab colour was August with the free gift there. I'm confused. I find them a very confusing company. I don't know about you guys, but this one, maybe if I was to shine my camera at that little thing, it would tell me, because the booklet would come up. But it doesn't say. It just says this month. It doesn't say what month this is. So one of my subscribers said that the one with the dodgy free gift was in fact August. So does that make this July? But they're talking about July as if this wasn't it, and saying that the booklet's returned in August. Well, if that's August, I didn't get a booklet. Never mind. It is what it is, as they say. I hate that saying, but there you go. But what do you think of this one? Just as I say, they're all drab. I get one that's a bit too jazzy. It's a little bit too jazzy. But I guess there is some use for it. I used to have a friend who wore this colour all the time, and she would have loved me to have made something out of it. But she lives in Kuala Lumpur now. I don't guess she doesn't really need woolies as such. But wow, I got a fibre off it. What do you think? What do you think of Weekend? Weekend KnitCrate. Da, da, da. So this could be then my third free one, my final free one. I bet they'll be glad to see the back of me, probably. So we shall have to see. What do you think then? Do you think the gifts are improving? Slowly, just in time for me to say sayonara. Whoopsie. I don't know what to do with it. What do you suggest? That can be... What would you make? What would you make with this? I know some people are allergic to fibre, but I can't wear mohair and some wool, but I think this will be fine. You know, I always know, because as soon as I start to touch it, it feels like it prickles me just a little bit. This doesn't. So I think this would be fine. I'd have to see. Don't know what to make with it. What would you do with this? Tell me. Tell me, please. Anyway, thank you for watching. At least I got them all. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get all my KnitCrates for the last 3 months, and I'm going to do a grand review at the end of everything, of communication, of company, the free gifts, the yarn, and everything. And I always say I'm going to be honest, so I will definitely do that. Wow. Everything they sent me is drab. It's like you eat those words with the next one you open. How funny. Anyway, thanks for watching. Stay safe, everyone. Take care, and watch out for the 3-month review. Bye for now.